there is something that's been taking place behind the scenes that we've identified, time and time again, but most people are still not paying attention to it. And this may be actually what sends SHIB to 405. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but whales have been quietly accumulating. So while we've been in this range bound area and we've been dealing with chop, kind of this up and down sideways action in terms of SHIB, whales had been accumulating. Then things began to pick up as SHIB started to go on a run over the last few days. In fact, when we look at just this large transaction volume alone over the last 24 hours, it spiked by an impressive 71%. We actually crossed 2.1 trillion SHIB, worth approximately $30 million just over this period of time. So what has been happening? Well, people gave these whales discounts. They gave them opportunities to accumulate at cheaper prices than what they would normally be able to. Now, the interesting thing about this is that using the Wyckoff accumulation method, CryptoCheck likened the current price action to the November 2023 and January 2024 accumulation, which culminated in a 330% breakout in February. Given these similarities, CryptoCheck has predicted that the ongoing accumulation could soon result in a comparable breakout. The predicted price target is 405, representing a 240% increase from the current price level. So we talked about some of those local levels of resistance that we're going to be fighting. We talked about kind of these important break moments in terms of SHIB. Again, that 40185 through 402, and again that 4026 through 4028. And the interesting thing about this again is when we piece all these things together, right? A lot of times you have to look at all these different pieces of information. Whale accumulation has been ongoing. We are seeing significantly less resistance to the upside because most of the sellers have sold. We've seen large portions of Shiba Inu supply removed from exchanges. You start to piece these all together, it becomes a perfect storm of events. This is the type of snowball effect that we've talked about that will lead SHIB to some of these massive surges to the upside. Now, once we break past this local high, guys, of 4045, all bets are off. Who knows how high and how fast Shiba Inu is going to get to where it's going. I want to remind people, and I keep referencing this because this is an important point. SHIB went on a 10x run, multi-billion-dollar market cap in just 30 days during the last market cycle. Did not take long. Optics were high. Excitement was there. And we're starting to get back into these times where all the catalysts that are necessary for SHIB's next move are present. And they're becoming more and more present as time goes on. More people, more optics, more excitement, more capital coming to the space. All right. Now, as always, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. We kind of know what we're fighting along the way here. And we know that if trends stay consistent, like we saw earlier on in this market cycle, when Shiba Inu does decide to run, it'll likely be one that sees some of the highest capital inflows from outside the space. If trends stay consistent, SHIB has a very big trend that's working in its favor. So get ready, buckle up. Exciting times are coming. I'm not saying that we're there yet. Last time, for example, this accumulation phase lasted until January. It took almost a whole 2 months following that for SHIB to have its breakout. But we're at this point right now where things are getting ready to go in the market. Are you going to get left behind? Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.